Good evening, everybody. It is once again Ted the Speed Learner, and I'm going to introduce you to a quartile. What in the heck is a quartile? Well, we have to go back to our Latin etymology, which I have covered in previous videos, and it goes back to the word quartus. Now, the word quartus in Latin means fourth. Okay? Now, you say, well, I still don't understand. Okay. Don't you guys buy quarts of milk at the grocery store? Yeah, let's go to the grocery store. Let's buy a quart of milk. What is a quart of milk? Well, it is 1/4 of a gallon of milk. That's what it is. You buy 4 quarts of milk, you got 1 gallon of milk. That's right. So, the word quartus leads to the word quart, and also leads to the word quartile. Okay, so this is fourth, right here. Now you say, how are we going to figure this out with this numerical data set? Okay, well, we already know what the median is. You say, well, how do we know what the median is? Okay, remember we taught you in the last video that if you add the 9 and the 12 together and you divide it by 2, you get 10.5. So, well, I don't remember that. Okay. 12 plus 9 is 21. How do we know this? Because 12 plus 10 is 22. You subtract 1, it becomes 21. 21 divided by 2 is 10.5. Go ahead, use your calculator. You'll find out. Alright, so we know what the median is of this data set right here. Now you say, well, how are we going to find the quartile of this? Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to separate this data set into 2 data sets. Okay? The first data set is going to be 3, 6, and 9, and the second data set is going to be 12, 15, and 18. Now, what's the middle number in this one? Well, that's the number 6. What's the middle number of this one? Well, that's the number 15. So the first quartet is 6. The second quartet is 10.5. The third quartet is 15. Let me say that again. The first quartet is 6, the second one is 10.5, and the third one is 15. See what I mean? So now you know the quarter distance, the half distance, the 3/4 distance, and the ending distance. That's a quartile. Alright. Now I'm going to cover this further in depth as I continue on with my Euclid lessons. That's right, we've got to continue learning the Euclid's elements because that's in Euclid's elements. I can guarantee you that. And when I show it to you, you're going to be sitting there going, I remember that. Right, so like I said, we're going to cover this further in detail with that. That should help you pass some of your tests. At least you'll have some idea what you're trying to do. Alright. I will tell you more in a future video. Stay tuned.